Hi guys, 1 second and we're live. As always. Just 1 second. Hope everyone is feeling great today. I sure do. I'm a little bit tired though. Oh, we have SG. Okay, we have Eyes of Lazar in here. We have Olugbenga in here. Welcome to the live stream. Super welcome. Welcome everyone. Let's see. We're just gonna wait for everyone to jump in. I'm sorry I couldn't get to the live stream earlier. It took a longer time than I expected. But we're here now. Market went straight down. But I think we saw the mark. I actually took away some of the Fibonacci. I actually took away all of the drawings that I did have on the charts. But let's see. We have Dobis in here. We have DJ in here. We have Sissy, the new moderator, in here. Welcome, darling. We have Faris, Collins, Edna. Welcome. Aisha, Mirsha. We have Sane. Dobis. Nat looks tired. I'm actually tired today, Dobis. I'm not gonna just because I say it, we'll have the longest live stream ever, but I'm not gonna try to have the longest one today because I'm really tired. Need to relax my brain a little bit. I was long, but my stop loss didn't even trigger. RIP. This is the thing, right? So when the market is that volatile, this is the reason if I'm not in a great position, I'm not doing anything, because you see, like, you can even have your stop loss, but when the market moves that quick, it doesn't even trigger your stop loss. You lose more money than you expected. So it's not good. SG, my darling, Judith, we have Joseph, of course, Katalin, and Piyush. B, we have B in here, and I'm screaming. I do apologize if someone, became deaf. Okay, let's see. No, first of all, no, I am not inside any trade. I'm not inside any trade today, actually. I haven't been able to, but wait, nothing has happened on DXY. Nothing special, to be honest, didn't happen. Like, we had one little retest. No, we had the market pull back up a little bit. Market hasn't done anything special though on DXY. Yeah, because I haven't been able today. I have been outside the whole day, been doing some things so I haven't been able. I actually didn't know that. Either way, I'm not inside any trades at the moment, and I didn't want to be in anyone either because the market is doing this now. DXY still continues to consolidate, crazy momentum. Let's go to BTC. Namboy and Rocket is in here. Beautiful. Welcome everyone, guys. If you haven't already liked the live stream, make sure to do that. Would be super sweet of you guys. This is how you are supporting the channel, by liking it. This is how we're pushing the algorithm. So, do we have anyone in profit? Right. Do we have anyone in profit? DXY stands still. Is it possible that market makers? 100%. 100%. Look at smaller time frames. You'll see with swap and DXY. Yeah, I mean, the market, on the very bullish, excuse me. On the lower time frames, we did see the market. So when was this? Yeah, so good thing here. We actually pulled back. Okay, we only pulled back up to 19K. This is the thing. I'm in profit on Ethereum. I lost big time, but learned a lot today. That's great, Joseph. That's great. See it as a learning lesson. I've learned that so many times, Joseph. Trust me, you're not the only one. I shorted Ethereum. That is amazing. Where did you short it? What price did you short from Ethereum? I want to see on the charts. So perfectly, yeah, we pulled back up, retested. We retested 19,000 on BTC. The previous high. What happened? We had this pretty big drop. Was this? Yeah, okay, so we did have a pretty big drop since this morning when we did have the live stream. I did expect us to, I didn't know that we dropped before. So kind of makes sense. This is the thing. So that's why it's so hard. You know, we were on a live stream a little bit earlier. And so that is why it's pretty hard to give you the accurate levels based on, because we want to see where the movements are before, like slightly before the market, or we have the news coming out. So that's why it's pretty hard to give some right levels. But you can see how we pull back up and retested the resistance at 19,025. So this is the thing. So remember that usually we retest previous highs, okay, and then now we have the drop. Why did we have the drop to that level? I want to know. This is the thing. So each and every time this is happening, I think it's so interesting, because I just want to see what level we are retesting if we're going back in time. Do we have anything else? So if we're looking at the drop, we can see that this, okay, so we pull back down. Do we have, is that a wick that we have? These are 2 wicks. Let's see on the weekly chart. Oh yeah, okay. Listen, we are pulling back down and we are filling this wick. Always have this in mind, guys. When we have like huge, you know, movements like this, each and every time the market creates a wick, the market always fills that wick. But you know, we have the market in a pullback, obviously, and then we know now that we can always use the wicks as guidance. You see the same way here. Even if we had a pullback for a week or so, the overall the market usually fills those wick. You see this one too, we had to fill that wick also. Market pulled back up, and what happened? Market dropped. So it's the same thing over and over again, what the market is doing. Okay, so yeah, we know now. We are filling this box here, this level. You can see here between 18,934 and 17,718. So the next level there where I could potentially see us continuing to drop now, because we have the bearish momentum. You know, I strongly believe that 17,720 is the next level for us to drop back down to. Yeah, go down to the lower time frames even more. So if we continue up, we have a Fibonacci level between 1 second. Oh no, I'm not gonna do that. So we can we can pull back up to 18,525 and 18,650. So that's definitely a level where we can, you know, pull back up to. Let's see on the lower time frames on BTC. Now we're on the 1 minute chart. We're on the 1 minute chart. Hello, Helen. How are you? Nat, you're taking requests? Yes, I do, darling. That's the low of June. Yeah, exactly. We have Gazer in here. Welcome, big boy. And I saw that. No, I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. Lucifer, it's okay. We just kind of started, to be honest. We've just been on here for 9 minutes, so you're good. You're good to go. Okay, so we have, of course, the big momentum now. I mean, I'm not sure if we're gonna have a bigger pullback. I mean, we just might have a crazy wick, but let's see on the lower time frames. If we take this one away and we only take the fib from the body. Okay, we are inside the Fibonacci level right now based on this crazy candlestick that we did. But this is the 3 minutes chart. Let's see on the lower time frames. AJ. Where's AJ? Where is AJ? Okay, so of course, two potential scenarios can happen from here when we're looking at the lower time frames. So we are inside a Fibonacci level based on this candlestick between 18,476 and 18,390. We can pull back down to, so this is on the lower time frame, so this will happen pretty quickly. We can, if the market continues to drop, I'm looking between 18,362 and 18,338 for a potential retest. If the market needs to pull back even more and give us a higher retest, because this is on the lower time frames, we just might have a crazy wick just up here and then see the continuation of the drop. So I would not be surprised if that's actually happening. Let's look at the 15 minutes chart again. So this is potentially what I can see at the moment. So the market is right now on the lower time frames in a pullback to the upside. So, I mean, I don't believe that we'll have some big momentum. You know, I think we can retest some Fibonacci levels, but this is a lower high level between 18,430 and 18,420. This can definitely be where we see the market continue to drop. But on the 15 minutes chart, we do have some pretty, we have two candlesticks that, you know, bullish. And if we are using the support where we closed exactly, you can see that this is a level where we've seen the market retest and then have a bounce. So I would not be surprised if this is only taking us up to levels, as I said in the beginning, between 18,523 and 18,645. Because we're looking at a pullback at the moment. So I will have one alert in the, if the case is that we are, you know, reaching that level. But if this is the Fibonacci level where we also see the market drop from, can definitely happen, and we don't even reach the higher time, because you can see that we have some rejections around this Fibonacci level at the moment. Yeah, we're, oh, okay. 5 minutes chart, 15, 1 hour, the 4 hourly is crazy drop. I mean, this wick will definitely get filled. We will definitely continue down, but the question is on the lower time frames, what level we have to retest before the next potential drop happens. You know what? What do you think, guys? What do you think will happen? It looks like we need to reach higher targets, to be honest. I wanted to short, but I think we need to pull back up to some higher targets, because if we're looking at the, we had the 30-minute as an engulfing candle, and do a 100x short. No. You're gonna laugh at me while I'm losing my money. That's not good. That is not good. Jack Crypto, I think that's full of red October like Halloween. Nightmare. What? What do you mean with that? I'm always bearish. Okay, wow, we have over 200 people on here. Super welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Natalie. I do live streams almost every single day, 7 days a week, guys. I give you some really good updates on where potential when it comes to the technical side. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you are hitting the subscribe button and make sure that you hit the notification so you know when I am live next time. What we're waiting for right now is to see if this 1 minute Fibonacci level is valid, because if we're breaking below it, retest from below, that can be the beginning for the next drop. But you know, we can also reach 18,520 or 18,640, but it looks like we're actually on its way down. But the only thing that I'm, the only thing that I'm thinking about is that on the lower time frames is that we have some bearish momentum, because overall, guys, the market is, in a high, we are going down. But on the lower time frames, we just might need to retest some Fibonacci levels. We just might need to retest some Fibonacci levels on the lower time frame. So that's why I'm keeping an eye on it, because if this is the level that we're retesting, because we are right now inside a Fibonacci level 2. I'm in the long run, but seeing money is... Hello, GT, how are you? Nat, you won't regret. Regret what? To sell the market? I mean, no, I need to wait on the lower time frames. I want to see a break below. Thank you so much, Benny. You're so sweet. Yeah, you see, that's why. We close below the level. That's great, GT. I strongly believe that we'll continue up, to be honest. Yeah, well, either way, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna take a trade unless we're breaking below it, so let's see. Let's go to Ethereum and see what's happening, because we need to do the same thing. You can see how the market does some pullbacks on the lower time frames. We love you, Nat and SG. Thank you so much. We love you too. So this is the next level for us to drop back down to. That's strongly what I believe, $1,880. Guys, I've been talking about these levels for such a long time, and we are reaching these levels now. We are reaching these levels. The levels everyone thought I was crazy about when I spoke about these levels long time ago. Everyone was like, hey, ain't gonna happen, Blondie. And now I'm sitting here like, well, it did happen, Blondie. That's why it's really important to trust your own analysis, because I've learned a lot through those lessons, trying to, especially when you're in front of so many people, you definitely need to have the confidence to trust your own trades, because there's so many people that have so many There's so many people that have so many opinions, of course, but at the end of the day, I just need to trust my own. And if I make a mistake, which I definitely do, like then I can learn from it. But I'd rather learn from myself than learn from someone else's mistakes, right? So that's why I just continue to do what I do. Blondie. Okay, so when it comes to Ethereum, we can definitely reach 1,235. So we're actually looking at a pretty good chart at the moment. Mistakes are best teacher. Yeah, definitely is. Natalie brain is tired because she exercised it so much. Oh yeah, to be honest, yeah. After the 3 live stream that we did have yesterday, and you know, I might not gonna continue to have so like many live streams like that because my brain is saucy after the live stream sometimes. So just have that in mind. But we'll always have live streams during the day, during Monday to Friday, but maybe not 3. Because if I have that, then I'll probably not, you know, continue to do it. My brain's gonna be so tired. Okay, so when it comes to Ethereum, we can, as I said, reach 1,235. Everything depends on if we're closing inside the support again. Let's see how it's gonna be. I don't think this is a fake out, but it can definitely be a fake out. Like, who knows? But that's first levels that I'm looking at. If those are levels, the next level is 1,554. Don't burn out, Nat. We need you. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, darling. I will not. But I have, to be honest, guys, I have to stop doing as many live streams because it's a little bit too much for me. I'm not gonna lie. So you just have it in mind. So if I don't have it every single day, then you know why. But I always update you, of course. Okay, guys, let me see what you guys want me to look at. Do we have anything? Do we have anything in the beginning? If anyone wanted me to look at it. Any coin? I'm trying to find gold. I saw gold. And we have, oh, Jesus Lord, what is this I see? Look at my beautiful chart. This is amazing. Amazing levels where we reached and retested. I freaking love it. This is the thing. I love my charts. Really, really much. What? Look at this perfectly. I kind of already knew this, you know. I've been losing so much money. Now I know exactly where the market is coming to because I know that before I've lost it. But, you know, that's the lessons. When you lose money, you gain knowledge. A lot of years of losing strikes, right? And right now, you saw this momentum on gold. We reached 1,680 and 1,678. Market retested these levels so perfectly. Couldn't have it even more perfectly. And then we are right now breaking the support. Amazing, guys. We pull back up, retested the fake out one time. Remember what I said before. Usually what the market is doing is that the market is always reaching the previous highs that we have. Fibonacci levels or highs. Always, always, always. And now we're breaking below the support also at 1,660. So yeah, the overall movements that we do have is that right now to drop back down to 1,563.658 if you want to be precisely. But that's the target based on the Fibonacci level that we did retest before. So that is why the continuation and back down to 1,563, but that, you know, obviously that takes some time. Let's look at the lower time frames. We have Roxana in here. Stephen, thanks. Now I'm late for work. Thought this was 1 hour after. We have Sev in here. We have our wonderful Sev. Did you block me? Best adult sites. Do we have Dead in here again? Jesus Lord, Dead, you're going crazy on these you're definitely going crazy on these sites. You have 13 men and you want more? I mean, we're a lot of women here that need some, okay? And now she's just taking everything. Okay, so when it comes to gold, choose me not. Take me. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll choose you. So when it comes to gold right now, we are inside. Yeah, okay, so BTC is dropping. Let's go to BTC. I think we're going down, you know what? I'm going in for a trade. I'll 15 minutes chart. I already have my take profit. Where's the take profit? Overall, $18,000. What? 18,000. Oh, 0.70. Stop loss. 18,520. Yeah, couldn't imagine anything better than walking up to next to her saying, "How are ya?" and replying, "I'm so..." I'm so happy. I'm actually really happy, guys. I'm so happy. Oh, Jesus Lord. Let's see if we're dropping to this level now. So I'm in one sell position at the moment, so let us see. So this is how it looks, my darlings. I have my stop loss a little bit above. Nothing special. Oh yeah, so this is how it kind of looks right now. Let's see. Let us see. Double top on 3 minutes. Valentino, yeah, we can definitely just might have another retest of this level and then drop, hopefully. You know, remember the last time I took the trade on SPX 500 and then the market just went straight down to my stop loss. It happened so fast I couldn't even have a I couldn't even have any emotions attached to it. I was like, what I get her say I'm not gonna say that. Okay, let's see what else you guys want me to look at. Let us see. HNT. Yeah, so guys, so I sold the market right now. I went short on BTC at the moment. And, because we have some Fibonacci levels that we got retested. We can pull, if we see the pullback, I'm looking at 18,432 because that can definitely happen. And let's see if that's going to be the continuation down, or maybe this is, oh yeah, let us see. Risk management is always key at the end of the day. So, but we were supposed to look at HTN USDT for crypto. HTN, was that the one? HNT. HNT USDT. Let us see. Did we go through this one before? Oh, hello, Fedox. How are you? We have Fras in here too. stiffen. That's not stiffen, but it is. It is Sep. Oh, it was a long time ago we were looking at this pair, so just let's take everything away and start over. We are below this resistance, previous resistance that we didn't have. We have another resistance down at $1.80. And on the lower time frames, let's see, we have the market in a pullback. Okay, so we broke the level. We broke the level, and on the lower time frames, okay, so when it comes to HNT, so we are right now inside a supply level between 4.63 and 4.86. If we have a bigger momentum, we can retest 4.96 or 5.16. But we are retesting the supply level at the moment. If we're breaking below $4.64 and we have a potential retest, that's a confirmation that this could be where we see the market continues to drop. Or maybe we can do this. I'm gonna change it a little bit. Like this. So, because you can see how the market is still creating higher highs and higher lows. The higher low level is between 4.63 and 4.60. This could be where we see the market either retest it for then continue up. But if we're breaking below that level and closing below, well, that can be the confirmation that we then will continue to drop. You know, the market is pretty volatile to the downside at the moment. But based on this Fibonacci, 4.22 is the target, but overall movements is back down to 3.65. But obviously, you know, take some time before the market do that. You know, you have market uptrend, downtrend, etc. So let us see what is gonna happen. So BTC as below the entry at the moment. Let us see what else you had for me. Well, if you are new to the channel, I'm just gonna repeat this for you now. If you're new to the channel, super welcome. You know, I've been trading since 2018, so I have a lot of years when it comes to the technicals. I'm really good at that, guys. So I did choose to share some really good knowledge with you guys, educational videos. So if you want to become better, you have on my YouTube channel, Crypto Trading for Beginners. Market Structure Part 1, Part 2 is definitely the ones that I'm looking at, or that I always suggest. Then if you scroll down to the end of my YouTube channel, you have Backtest with me. This is also where I've been doing some educational live streams together with you. The last time I had one was study and backtest the charts 5 days ago. This is where I use the Fibonacci and I just go from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. This one is actually really good. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification also, and follow me, because everything that I do on the educational videos, that's what I do on the live chart. So we learn so much together by doing that. So as I said, make sure to subscribe to it. And if you want to be part of my community, Natalie Bitcoinsensus, this is the only community that I do have. So please don't get scammed by our wonderful scammers. They are everywhere. Never send money to anyone. I will never contact you privately, even if I know that some of you want me to do that, but I will not. So just have that in mind, my fellows, my beautiful people. Okay, let's look at XRP. Let's look at XRP. So XRP was this, no, this was not today. I just want to start over. It's too many things on the charts. I don't like it. Sorry if you hear my computer right now. It's just, it sounds so much. It's like... Buy the dips. Let's look at this, guys. Okay, so we are right now retesting a Fibonacci level between 0.4711 and 0.4653. This is based on the candlestick that had this crazy momentum. So for me, the confirmation to go in for a short position when it comes to XRP, because we're obviously on our way down, would be if we're closing below 0.4641, because the market is still creating high highs and high lows at the moment on the lower time frames. You can also do this. Hi Fernando, how are you? If we continue up, we can retest 0.4783, but we have two Fibonacci level 50% levels right now at 0.4707. So if we see that the market is, you know, if we're breaking below 0.4640, you know, that for me is a sign that we're, you know, continuing down. But, you know, we're in a pullback at the moment. You know, it looks like we're actually going up. Let's look at BTC one more time. Let's look at BTC one more time. I'm just gonna hold my position. Okay, what else, you my beautiful people? What else do you want me to look at? What trades are you in, guys? What coins? What coins do you trade? Hey Nat, check and so it will bounce from here. Thank you so much, Karan. Dr. Stab. Everyone with like a weird name. I think everyone is Seb, to be honest. I'm not sure who Seb is anymore, but... Oh, look at this, guys. So on Gala, we did reach my Fibonacci level 2. Look at this. We dropped back down so perfectly. We did drop back down perfectly to my Fibonacci level 0.03552. That is pretty amazing. Even if it's on the way to onto the downside. Let's look at the lower time frames. Yeah, we are inside a Fibonacci level right now too. So we have 2 touches already, and we have some rejection. So the next level for us to drop down to right now could potentially be 0.03373. No, that was a long, short position. You are amazing, Nat. I think should turn on notification for your lives like I did with Andy. I mean, sound good. I think you should do that too. But thank you so much. As she will say, Jack, only one person. So yeah, that's what I see on Gala at the moment. Please never take the sound of your mouse. It's so relaxing. Oh, really? It is? Well, I mean, I don't know. I'm not bothered with it, to be honest. Ends. Is this ASMR? Full ASMR mouse. Yes, exactly. ASMR. Click, 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 click. Yeah, BTC is down again. Oh, we have Seb comments now. Let's see. Relaxing like being hit on the head with a hammer. You see? Of course. Of course. You know, Seb is just like one of my best friends. He called me today and he was like, I'm happy today. I'm like, okay, so why do you call me? He was like, no, are you unhappy? And I said no. And he's like, no, you made me unhappy. Because I'm happy when you're not happy. I'm like, what are you talking about? He was like, yeah. What? What friends do I have around me? They're happy when I'm sad. And they're super honest with it too. What? Okay, so look at this, guys. When we're looking at ends, we are right now retesting a higher time frames Fibonacci at 7.55 and potentially 19.93. The market is still creating high highs and higher lows, obviously on the higher time frame perspective, and we have already retested the 50%. Let's go down to the lower time frames and see what's going to happen. He's single? Yeah, he is. And he's, you know what he says? I'm like, so you don't want to meet a woman? He's like, no, I hate women. He hates women so much. He doesn't hate them. He just say that because it's supposed to sound funny. But he's like, he actually don't want to have anything to do with women because he thinks that we are pain in the ass for, you know. He's like, you always complain. You have zero control of your emotions. And he's like, I don't got time for that. And he's actually a trader. And he's like, he's crazy. He's great. Maybe he loves males. No, trust me, he doesn't. He's so straight it can be. But then I'm like, but don't you want a woman? He's like, no, I want to trade and earn money. I don't have time for women. Like, okay. Hello, Edna. How are you? So yeah, I mean, keep him. Sounds not boring. I actually don't want Seb and him to meet because I know that they would be a good couple and they would, you know, they would hunt me forever. I mean, BTC looks like we're pulling back up, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think BTC is ready to drop at the moment from the lower time frames. I think we'll go to higher targets. I just want to do another one. Did retest to 50%, and the target is the higher time frames. Candlesticks is the most important ones, and I strongly believe that will continue up. Maybe he loved dolls women. Yeah. I mean, I think as long as they're not a woman inside the body, I think he's cool. But when it comes to women, he just don't like us. And he's very honest with it. And I actually don't care because I kind of sometimes understand him, but you know. He's crazy. He's really crazy. Calling me. Hi, are you happy? Yeah. Well, I'm so mad now. What? That's mean. Sorry guys, we're gonna continue with ends at the moment. I started to talk about something else. So yeah, when it comes to ends, to be honest, we're still creating a high low, and we have a lower high level, or what was that? No, this is a supply level between 17.17 and 18.26. So you know, this is on the daily chart though. 4 hourly. We have another level here between 17.34 and 17.53. We are retesting this level at the moment. And on lower time frames, you can see the rejection already. So if I would go in for a short position on this pair, it would be if we're breaking below 16.86. Because at that point, then the market is breaking structure if we're breaking below 18.86 for a potential lower high, and that can be the continuation down. What targets? I mean, we're just going sideways, to be honest. You know, this doesn't mean, just because we did have some news coming out today, doesn't mean the market's just gonna, you know, drop now. So we are in a sideways market, and to be honest, you know, as I said, if I would go short for in the market, 16.86, break the level, create a potential retest against this box that you see, or a Fibonacci level for a lower high. But at the moment, it just looks, you know, we can still continue up. So I'm a little bit unsure when it comes to ends, to be honest. Just have some patience with it, guys. Have some patience. Beautiful name, Fernando. Yeah, actually, it's a really beautiful name. So next time you see my live stream, it's Fernando Bitcoinsensus. It's not Natalie Bitcoinsensus anymore. You know. BTC, we're still below this freaking level now, playing around. Yeah, I'm still gonna... Oh yeah, we have the momentum now. Guys, yeah, it looks like we're heading to the upside, to be honest. But let's see how... 6, if we're closing inside the box, you know, we're taking this one away. Yeah, so we did close exactly inside my Fibonacci level. That's very important. But this is on the 1 minute. Let's see, 5. Yeah, so we also had a 3 minute. It's 2 minutes left of this candlestick on BTC. Oh yeah, it looks like we're going down. Because that's very important. You see exactly how the market did close inside my Fibonacci level. This is very important. Closed a little bit above, but you know, nothing big. Let's look at Ethereum. So we are inside Fibonacci levels at the moment when it comes to Ethereum also, of course. And we did see the market try to break above the level, but then we closed inside the 61.8% again at 1,221. And we are in, okay, so we're below another Fibonacci level at the moment too. This candlestick is, the 3-minute candlestick is closing in 53 seconds. And this one too. And we are, okay, so let's see if we're closing in, I'm not gonna trade this one, I just wanna look at it. One thing that I definitely have realized is that I'm not trading more than one coin at the time. I can't do that. It doesn't, can't do it. I only trade one pair at a time. It doesn't matter if it goes to the same direction. I'm not playing games anymore. I'm not playing games anymore. That's how it sounded. So yeah, as I said, we are right now below a Fibonacci level where we were supposed to break above. And we do have some, okay, so the 1 minute, the 3 minutes, the 5 minutes. We have this crazy wick. Okay, so we did retest the Fibonacci level based on this high and this low. Was it? No, it wasn't. That was the wrong one. Yeah, whatever, it's gonna do whatever it's supposed to do, to be honest. If we're continuing up, we can reach 1,236. Or if we are continuing to drop, try to trade 100 crypto in the at the same time. You will be ready to work with Fed. Yeah, if I would do that, oh Jesus Lord, I would not last a day. I would be so, I would freak out. I would freak out if I traded that much. My brain would be so saucy. So yeah, all of the coins is right now retesting the Fibonacci levels at the moment. So it was pretty good that we didn't even go to the live stream earlier, because right now we actually have the good targets. You can train 100 people and make them trade for you. Oh yeah, that's definitely one thing that I'm gonna do. I know some guys do that in England. They're actually really good at it. They found people and then they trade for them. Of course, that's something that you would want to do. That's super smart. That's so smart. Natalie in the chocolate factory, surrounded by... I see you. Okay, DXY dumping. Oof. Okay, well then BTC will pump. Let's see DXY on the lower time frames. What's happening? Weekly. We're also retesting Fibonacci levels at the moment on DXY. But we have a resistance, which we saw the market try to break, but we had the fake up from it. But we're in this ugly sideways market. Yeah, so we're in the sideways market. We had the fake up from the support, also fake up from the resistance. So And we're just right now at my we're right now slightly below. We're exactly at my entry right now when it comes to the BTC trade. Excusez-moi. DXY extremely bullish at bearish. Arlick, can you repeat everything for me? Yeah, sure. Of course. Of course. Okay, so we're breaking down a little bit, but the only thing that I'm thinking about is DXY. It's dumping. Which makes me be a little bit, you know, when it comes to BTC. Sorry guys if I'm not talking so much, but you know, I'm just trying to understand what's happening. DXY is extremely bearish at the lower time frames. Shocking. Okay, either way, let's see what could potentially happen, guys. You know what, guys? Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. BTC oversold incoming. You know, the only thing that I'm thinking about is that if DXY is dropping at the moment, then BTC can pump only to retest higher time frames levels at 18,520 first of all, and 18,645. We have a higher low level at 18,378 and 18,360. We are slightly below the entry at the moment. I have a tight stop loss, of course, but you know, I have it above the high. But when DXY is dumping the way it does at the moment, it just, you know, we can drop back down to, you know, 112.955. Hello, Pranyaya. So much love to you too. Anton want me to be patient. Anton? Anton. That's how we say it in Swedish. We say Anton. And Ethereum, we're also below the levels right now. Let's see what happens. I am on some shorts. That is great. Yeah, you know what? Just let's see what's gonna happen, guys. So if you haven't, we have 249 people on here. Super welcome. If you haven't already liked the live stream, please do that. Make sure to subscribe to the channel too, so you know when I am live. Tomorrow we have another live stream tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. CET time. That is 1 hour before London session, so you know where, you know, because we're in different time zones. I don't know exactly where you're at. But make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live. Also be part of my community, Natalie Bitcoinsensus. You have it right now in the live chat. This is my only community that I have because I know that we have some scammers that pretends to be me, but it's not. Okay? Don't forget that you can also sign up right now on Kasta, guys. You can sign up on Kasta. This is where you can send money. You can send crypto instantly and for free. I've been waiting forever for this to come out and it's finally here. So if you want to, you can sign up through my link that you have in the description down below the video, guys. Really good, and start to send cryptocurrencies with low fees, 0 fees. That is amazing. It's super amazing. And of course, don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybits, up to $4,438. Best platform ever for me to trade on. BTC is going up right now. I do believe that will continue up. I'm going to close my position, to be honest. I'm closing my position when it comes to BTC because we were slightly below my entry. Because I do believe that we can have some movements to the upside. I'm not gonna play around with it because if that's the case, I need some more confirmations because DXY is still continue to drop. I do believe that we can have some momentum up. Okay, I would not be surprised, and you know, you can definitely go down too. But then I'll just find another level for me to go into. But you know, I don't like the way the market is looking right now at the moment. We can definitely have some crazy, you know, movements to the upside. Natalie giving us the tools to change our lives. Thank you so much, Arlake. I'm gonna end this live stream right now because I'm a little bit tired. So that's why I don't want to play around with the charts anymore. Elijid, you are a lie. What are you talking about, lie? Please write 111 in the chat if you did enjoy this live stream, and super welcome if you are new to the channel. As I said, we have daily updates about cryptocurrencies on my channel, and I'm very good when it comes to the technicals. You can see how BTC is pulling back up right now. Thank you so much, Alex. Thank you, everyone. Thank you each and every one of you that's been on this live stream together with me. If you haven't already liked the live stream, please do that so we can push it out to other people. But let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much, CC. Thank you so much, SG, for helping out my moderators, my wonderful moderators, and Seb, of course. Thank you each and every one of you, okay? Have a great day. I'm just going to let the market do whatever it's supposed to do. Thank you, Nadia. I love you, Nadia. I always see you. I just joined. Please stay. I need to go. Kasta app is not working. It's not? Have you registered? It should work. Have you deposited any money to it? Thank you, Gazer. Thank you, Westy, Axel, Lucifer, Angie, Game Gab, Machu, Anton, Nadia, L, Sin, Samuel, Tushan, Relief, Fedox, Westy, Cici, David, Namboy, Ron, Tom, Ati, GB, Denise, Gazer, Judith, Alexander, Helen, H, Orlake, Fras. Thank you, everyone. I love you so much. See each other tomorrow. Helen, Dor, Fras, Mess, I just registered. That is okay. But okay, look at it, then come back to the live stream tomorrow or in my community. Okay? Or in my community, and then we can talk about it. Bye, Seb. Have a great day, everyone. I'm so happy.